बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स, हिस्ट्री ऑफ पाकिस्तान सीरीज़ के इस हिस्से में हम नेहरू रिपोर्ट और कायद आज़म के 14 निकात के मुतल्लिका अहम क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। आइए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। द नेहरू रिपोर्ट वाज एन आंसर टू द चैलेंज थ्रोन टू इंडियंस बाय आंसर इज लॉर्ड बर्कनहेड। The committee which was called upon to draft a constitution for India was chaired by answer is Nehru. Who was head of Nehru committee? Answer is Motilal Nehru. Nehru committee completed its task in how many months? Answer is in 3 months. When report of Nehru committee was published? Answer is 15th August 1928. The report submitted by Nehru committee is known as answer is Nehru report. Which report provided that India should be given the status of dominion on a unity basis with the parliamentary form of government? Answer is Nehru report. Which report provided that there should be no separate electorates? Answer is Nehru report. Which report provided that Hindi would be the official language of India? Answer is Nehru report. Which report reflected Hindu prejudicial approach and was based on anti-Muslim sentiments? Answer is Nehru report. Which political party issued a threat to the government to launch a non-corporation movement against government if report was not implemented by December 1929? Answer is Congress. Which report of 1929 was totally against the Muslim interests? Answer is Nehru report. Who were the Muslim members of Nehru report? Answer is Sayyid Ali Imam and Sir Shoaib Qureshi. In 1928, all parties national conference was held to consider. Answer is Nehru report. Quaid Azam proposed how many amendments in the Nehru report? Answer is 3. On which ground the Nehru committee rejected the Muslim demands of 1/3 representation in the central legislature? Answer is Muslim formed less than 1/4 of total population. Congress made an abrupt demand that new constitution must be given to India on answer is 31st December 1929. Jinnah's 14 points were formulated in answer is March 1929. The resolution passed at All India Muslim League in Delhi session in 1929 is commonly known as answer is Jinnah's 14 points. Who helped Quaid Azam in preparation of 14 points? Answer is Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. Jinnah's 14 points are a logical offshoot of the failure of which report? Answer is Nehru report. 14 points of Jinnah's prescribed that form of constitution should be answer is federal. 14 points prescribed that in the central legislature the Muslim representation shall not be less than answer is 1/3. Which lord made a twofold declaration in October 1929? Answer is Lord Irwin. The first part of Lord Irwin's declaration related to answer is Constitution. The second part of Lord Irwin's declaration was about the answer is announcement of the Round Table Conference. व्यूअर्स, अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा, चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।